Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Damien here from Damien's Life. And about half an hour ago, we made our Wii video, so definitely make sure you go check that out. And in that video, we said that we were going to show off my box fort, the Easter Bunny.
The Easter Bunny.
And Easter chicken. Because my grandma believes in the Easter chicken, not the Easter bunny. Because bunnies can't lay eggs, only chickens can lay eggs. So the Easter chicken was pissed. Anyway, so they decorated my box fort, so there's that there.
Hey, happy Easter, guys!
And you're also gonna show, and I'm also gonna show off how I can solve 2x2 Rubik's Cube.
And also, I'm gonna try.
He's gonna try three move scrambles, stuff like that.
I suck at this.
So
I suck at Rubik's Cube.
You might have noticed there's no more door. That was kind of
Yeah, there's no door because Damien ripped it off.
And now,
I've never been in here, so you're seeing my complete reaction.
yeah, he's actually not been in here yet. So then there's this stuff. There's chocolate. Ooh, can you get a surprise?
Ooh, can I have some? Is that a yes or no?
Yeah, we're gonna have it.
I can't. Can you hold the phone?
Look at this guy's face. He likes stuffing his face with chocolate. Says me. I'm like, no.
Okay, that's good.
All right.
That's super good.
So there's this basket full of goodies.
I'll hold it. Ow.
And then, there's that. I mean, not this, but like that Kermit and that smaller little bunny. And I was doing some homework, and so I had to move the thing out so I could lie down and work over my desk.
And eat chocolate.
Plus, yep, and eat chocolate.
Okay, I'll hold the phone.
Plus, I moved the light from here to
Oh!
here so that it's over top of the desk. It still gives light for the rest of this room, but it's over top of the desk so I can see things easier.
And
If it's on the desk.
yeah, this is gonna be a really short video.
Well,
Now we're
gonna stuff our face with some chocolate, and now we're gonna show you how I can solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube.
yeah, I'm gonna translate it for you. Then we're gonna stuff our face with chocolate. Then we're gonna solve the Rubik's Cube. He can solve the Rubik's Cube. I can't. I'm gonna try to do a 4-move scramble. That's the only thing I did. But I might try 4 or 5, but that's okay.
That's actually not what I said. He's just saying what he's saying.
Yay! Okay, let's stuff our face with chocolate. Then let's do this thing.
Okay, now we are doing the Rubik's Cube part of this short video after our discussion of chocolate, stuffing ourselves, and a small conversation. And Liam is just scrambling the cube.
Yeah, scramble!
1 second, there's a little bit of chocolate on my phone. Alright, well, apparently while Liam was scrambling it, he actually solved a side. He solved the blue side. I don't know if you can tell that's blue. You probably can. Yeah, there you go. And, well, he's going to start scrambling it some more. His little hands.
Okay, guys, I'm scrambling it right now. Okay, and you could tell because I'm like solving sides for you, Damien. I'm gonna stop recording because I'm gonna stop recording because I can't do this at the same time because I'm like using my knee and stuff. Okay, I'll pass you off to Damien now.
Alright, I am currently just relaxing in the other room of the box fort.
I can't scramble this. Like, holy crap, am I just like, what?
Alright. Yep. I guess.
Dun, dun. I'm not even looking at the cube.
I guess we'll be back
I'm not even looking.
when the cube is scrambled and I start to solve it. Yo. Da-da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da-da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun, da-da-dun, da. You see the box. Wait. This is a science experiment. I'm looking at all the molecules in cardboard. You guys can see all the molecules in cardboard.
Let me see. Let me see.
You guys are currently looking at all the molecules in cardboard. It's so cool.
That's stupid. Okay, I'm still scrambling.
All right, well, he's still scrambling it. We'll be back when he's scrambled it.
Just say right now, just say, like...
Liam is still scrambling. He says he's been scrambling for about 2 minutes. I think he actually
and
has.
the other side.
Liam, just do.
I'm trying not to. Okay, I'm gonna flip, flop, flop.
Okay, give it to me now.
Flip, flop.
Oh, this guy's taking so long.
Flop. Where is Damien? Damien? Oh my gosh, it's magic. Okay, solve that Rubik's Cube.
Fudge.
You get to look at it for 15 seconds.
Okay.
He's looking at it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! He already solved one side.
That was such a bad scramble, Liam.
Okay, do a 4-move scramble, and I'm gonna do it, okay? I'm just gonna talk about myself. Okay, so guys, he's doing a 4-move scramble.
Alright, there you go, I'm done.
Okay, you just videotape me.
Alright.
It's a 4-move scramble. I'm looking at it.
He's doing a 4-move scramble, looking at it.
What?
Give you a few more seconds.
No, I'm not gonna...
5, 3, 2,
What the hell?
go.
Oh, I know. What?
I'm just saying if you can't solve this, then I'll just have to solve it for him. Don't give up yet, Liam.
I'm giving up.
It's too early. It's too early in life.
To give up? It's not too early to give up, guys. Kids!
Don't.
Because in this life, you can't win. Yeah, you can sure try. But the man is going to call you a fat, washed up loser and take your soul. So give me a favor and just give up. You guys know that movie? It's from a movie. Comment down below, what do you think that movie is? Oh, I'm getting some progress now. Or am I?
Sorry, Liam's the real cameraman here. I'm actually really bad at camera.
Yeah, Damien, you suck at camera. You washed up loser. He's not a washed up loser.
See, Liam's the man.
I'm the man. And you know what? There's a way to stick it to the man. It's called MCTV. But oh no! The man ruined that too with a little... No, that's the opposite way. There's a way to stick it to the man. It's called rock and roll. Oh no! The man ruined that too with a little thing called MCTV! I don't know what MCTV means. Like, is that like a video game? I'm that washed up loser that she calls.
Principal, whatever your name is, you're the man. I am the man.
Principal Mullins. That's the name. Principal Mullins, you're the man. She was like, thank you. Thank you. That's what she said.
And she's like, thank you.
It's like, thank you. In this life, you can't win. Yeah, you should try. The man's gonna call you up a fat, washed up loser and get rid of your soul. So do me a favor and just give up.
Liam, are you gonna give up? The camera's getting tired. They're falling asleep. Oh, sorry. Liam, I don't know. Liam, did you give up? The viewers are falling asleep again. Woo.
But in this...
All right, do you give up?
Yeah, where did the... What? Where did the what? What?
The one behind my K. Well,
Indiana Jones. He's gonna solve it.
I'm gonna have to solve it for him.
Go. Yeah, comment down below. What is that movie from? And also comment down below what app can I get for Rubik's Cubes? So
There ain't no
I
app, bro. You gotta stick it to the man.
no, it's called
It's called YouTube, bro.
how do you solve it? I'm gonna do another live. I'm thinking of a turn it. I'm examining it. Oh, oh, oh. Ta-da!
Ooh, Rubik's Cube corners right to the palm.
Okay, do 3-move scramble. 3 moves.
Scramble.
Okay, I'm gonna look away.
Okay, bang. Oh, wait, no, that was a 4 move. Okay, 3 move.
Okay, there. Let's do this thing. Switch over.
All right, well, Liam's gonna do.
Oh,
I didn't even start it.
I know it. I think I know it, guys. Okay.
I didn't help him. He thinks he knows it. I did a 3-move scramble now. He just fricked up.
No, I didn't.
Gotta stick it out, man. Ooh.
Boom.
My ladies. Ooh.
Boom, boom! Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I already give up.
How's it eat?
Okay, do a 2-move scramble. Scramble.
Okay, I'm gonna solve this. And then I'm gonna do a 2-move scramble. And then he's gonna try and solve it. 2-move scrambles are so easy.
So, guys,
All
he's
right.
doing a 2-move scramble.
I scrambled it 2 move. Wait. Narny, narny, nar.
Okay, just doing 2-move scramble. Yeah.
Bang, 2-move scramble time.
I'm on the roof right now.
Wait, I'm gonna confuse Liam. Watch me confuse Liam right now. Liam.
What?
Okay, I'm gonna confuse you guys. Bang, solve this. Go.
Everybody want to twerk. Do the Rubik's Cube. Move. Yeah. Oh.
I know it.
That does hurt.
It hurts.
Okay, 2-move scramble like this. Like, do. Like, you could move like that all the way, right? You could do that. Like, for example, like this.
No more complicated. Yay!
No, it's because you were like that, right?
Do you know what I did?
What? No, what the? Ooh.
Okay, you take the camera. Okay, I'll show you guys what I did. So, I went bang, bang, bang. So simple.
Okay, 2-move scramble again. But you're allowed to do the same rolls and same thing like always. That's Earth right there. Yeah.
Bang.
Earth.
Solve this.
Excuse me. I just zoomed up on your fingernails here.
Boom, boom. Solved.
I was supposed to solve that. Okay, just do one.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, here you go.
All right. The master is solving the 2-move scramble.
Okay, I think I got it. Boom.
Do you do it? Hey! It's like you realize the orange is actually red. Oh.
No, dude, wait. I'm gonna do a 3-move scramble for you, and you have to figure it out in less than 1 second. Okay. Wait, I forget how much. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I got it.
Okay, he's gonna solve his own scramble.
Bam.
Oh!
Okay, do a 3-word scramble now. Do it. It is. Okay, bam. 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 Ah! Now 3-move scramble.
It took
again.
him so long to do one turn.
A 3-move scramble like this. Like you could do like double turn, triple turn. Oh.
Bye.
Okay, just scramble it.
Hey, we are back after solving the cube a few times. Liam got more solves than I did because I gave him more scrambles. And make sure to stay tuned for our next video, which is going to have a special guest. And throughout the video, we're not going to say his name. And you guys have to guess his name.
And then in the next video after that, we'll say his name and we'll give you a shout out
if you get the name correct.
And if you have a YouTube channel, please comment down below. You'll also get a shout out. Now listen to the outro. Subscribe. And that's technically it. Look, go in that place where you look like a devil. He looked like a devil before. Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.